Alright, so showed you the start of the Mifa. I've got other videos, they'll be on my YouTube channel, but this is for everyone on YouTube and everywhere else. This is our new Mifa. So, fancy old key this one is. And, that was hard.
Other one.
No, I was doing both. So we look through. Thank you, Cameron and Zane. Alright, let's go have a look. As you can see, Lexi and Zane have already made a mockery of the seats and ground. Zane, would you like to do a quick demo of how the seats work?
Yes.
Let's bounce the camera. Good idea.
Sorry. Oh my God.
So as you can see, very comfy. Alright, we don't need a full demo of everything, but it's got the seat comes out, Crocs bag, it's got armrests. They can't fight with each other. There is USB chargers, the spare storage compartment down here, which is rather cool. It does have a power point. Chargers over here. There is a rear row, currently folded down. Massive storage, sunroof back and front. All the cool stuff. Alright, Mr. Cameraman, you can come back, take it back over. You've shown why we bought the car and why you love it so much.
Yeah.
Carefully. Alright, over here. There we go. Alright. Heading towards the front. Nothing here looks cheap. Everything feels, it's all soft touch. It just feels amazing. Come around, have a look in the car.
LDV.
Come back to the door. So just everything is soft touch and it just feels amazing. Like, no. It has that nice solid car sound. We're really impressed with the finish of it. Electronics aren't a real strong point, we're being told by mechanics and that, but we'll work on it. So Zane, I'll get Zane to sit in the passenger seat while I run around.
Comfy.
Hi again.
Hello.
As you can see, all the dash lights only fire up once the driver is sitting in the seat. Starting the car is really easy. Just put your foot on the brake pedal and that starts the car. So as long as I'm holding the key, the car starts. Come around here, the dash. The only way to turn it off is you turn off from the dash. Then don't touch the brake pedal again. For those in the know, we did have problems with the keys. We still do have. One key doesn't work, the other key is working alright at the moment. It should be a permanent thing, but anyway, it does need to go back. They've already confirmed that they'll fix it and repair it. Turning on cruise control is not a thing at the moment. We haven't worked out why. They can't tell us how to turn it on. We've had a mechanic come out and said it doesn't work, so that also needs to come back. Anyone who watches these videos in the future, so if your key doesn't work, as long as you're holding the key, if you can open the car with your key, there is a hack. Up here, you've got the hazard light. Press and hold that for 5 seconds and the car should start. Or 10 seconds maybe. It's not working that well, is it? Maybe you have to foot the brake. Anyway, that's our camera talking to us. Anyway, so this is just a quick wrap up of the car. I'll get the cameraman to jump out and go for a walk around the car and have a look at the outsides. That's you, Zane. Bye. No, walk around the car.
Okay, bye.
Yes, it's nice.
Ouch. Pushing close on the road.
Get down. I think you're taking way too much time. Let's do a quick one over the back. I'm trying not to set an on-plate zone. There we go. All good. So, yeah, that's a quick wrap-up of our LDV Mifa Executive. And like I said, it's going to be posted on YouTube and all the rest, but this was just a quick one to introduce you to our new car. Bye.